meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil para hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that, hindi nag-materialize ngayon, ano, huli ka. Remember ha, kahit nakakulong ka, you are under oath.
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali ka
making up
mahuli
stories,
dito.
sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo, ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magsuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan.
You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
hindi kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil para hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that, hindi nag-materialize ngayon, ano, huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack, oh.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Go Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times. The first time po kasi was there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So ano pakialam mo dun? Punta kayo Indonesia para kausapin si Alice Go. Hindi talaga, ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Huh?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNP-IG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit nakakulong
Senator De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath.
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali ka
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair, this
You
has,
convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot, you can be cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Go Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Go Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement.
So, you heard about it, General Macapas heard about it, or PNP-IG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to Meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went to
face?
Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story
Uh-huh.
bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor, but
Mhm.
that was the words during the time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
we did not know that she was in Indonesia. She
Who-
was,
we, PNP-IG and General Macapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And then?
Your Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair, if I
Okay.
may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to meet Jade? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first-
You told me that you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia
Yes,
Correct?
Your Honor.
just to
Yes.
talk to Alice Go and
for
let
her
her
to
surrender.
surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to meet Jade? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private citizen. You're not even connected in any government agency here. Correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
You were what? You were just helping.
You are just
Helping who?
Oh my
It's a
goodness.
very
Helping who, Madam Chair?
case.
Helping who?
Senator De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you
Promise.
helping who?
Helping.
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on a
Indonesia, just a minute, could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba, or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify your
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
SP Pro Tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. The answer.
Miss Maslog.
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days. Opo.
So, sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
Government, di ka mga
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa, na you're not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpect na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not a statement. What I'm saying, we were talking about ano po sa kanya, yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
Speaker pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon. Ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 beses ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We
tinatanong
have
ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Goo? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po, tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor,
O opisyal.
ikaw. Ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No, sir.
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
No, sir.
O ano?
I don't have
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
Paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need to fact check so many of these things na sinasabi ni Ms. Maslog. General Macapas, online na po kayo, nakikita namin kayo. Pwede nyo pong buksan yung audio ninyo so we can hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Your Honor.
General. General, hindi pa kayo nakapagsumpa, no? Dito sa hearing namin.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala pa po.
Okay, Comsec, pakipasumpain si General.
Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name,
I, Police Brigadier General Romeo Juan Macapas,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will tell the truth,
that I will tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth
and nothing but the truth
to this committee.
to this committee.
Gusto ko malaman, bakit anong authority yung binigay mo sa kanya that she is acting like your right hand in the PNP IG to the point that she's saying na yung gastos niya nire-reimburse niya sa PNP IG. Is that correct? Ano yung authority na binigay mo sa kanya? Na she could always, parang 24/7 will have an access to Indonesian authorities, talking to Interpol, etc. Did you give her that access, General?
Your Honors,
Authority?
Your Honors, please, except doon sa pagiging contact lang kay Alice, wala na po siyang ibang authority, Your Honor.
Were you clear about it? Were you clear about it when you told her, eto ka lang, ito lang ang role mo? Because, alam mo, tatamaan ka rito, General, kung binigyan mo ng blanket authority, itong hindi natin makilala kung sino talaga. Nabuhay mula sa patay eh.
If I may interject, Senator Joel, General, sinabi pa ni Ms. Maslog, yung ticket daw niya papuntang Indonesia, nire-reimburse daw ng PNP IG. So
Wala
ano nga po
pong-
itong mga parang special authorization na nangyayari?
Wala pong katotohanan yan, Your Honors. Wala po kaming ganung kalaking panggastos.
So, Madam Chair, sinong namamasahe sa
Senator-
kanya? Sinong mamamasahe sa kanya?
Yes, sir.
General.
If I may, sir.
Sino?
Sa
Gastos
General,
lang po niya yung sarili, sir.
Sarili niya.
iba yung
Opo.
sinabi niya.
Napakagaling naman. Gagastos niya para sa ganung effort. Tapos sabi niya,
Nire-reimburse niya.
IJ. Alam mo, General Macapas, in
Sir.
this case, pareho tayong galing sa IJ. This case, Mary Ann Maslog is your action agent. Ikaw ang agent.
Handler,
Ano
sir.
ka?
Handler,
Ano ka?
sir.
Agent, handler, or manager?
Ako na mismo ang handler, sir, dahil ako lang ang may nakakilala sa kanya.
Okay. Okay. Ngayon, you are the agent handler. She is the action agent. Paano to siya nakakuha ng linya doon sa Indonesian National Police? Without your knowledge, na ikaw mismo ang handler. Bakit nakadirekta siya doon? Tinitext daw siya ng Indonesian authorities na huli na namin si Alex Go. Andito na. Ikaw hindi mo alam. You're the IG director, I suppose. But ngayon, saan ka na ba ngayon?
Currently, sir, I am still holding the IG, sir.
O IG ka pa rin. Pero you're incoming RD
RD Barm, sir. Yes, sir. Opo.
ng
Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
farm. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good accomplishments.
Yes,
You're
sir.
from IG, you're now RD. That's quite
Yes,
a
sir.
big feather on your cap. Congratulations, iyo. Congratulations. Pero my question remains, paano nangyari na ikaw ang agent handler ng isang action agent na siya nang dumidirekta doon nakipag-connect sa Indonesian National Police? Ikaw na blind ka.
I have no idea, sir, actually. Kasi pumutok yung balita, sir, na nahuli si Alice Guo 7 o'clock in the morning sa TV natin. During that time, sir, nakipag-Zoom conference na po kami with the Indonesian authorities. Kasama ko po si Chief PNP, pati yung contacts namin sa counterpart natin dito, yung attaché nila dito, pati yung Indonesian Police. Hindi po kami dumaan sa kay Ma'am Jessica. Alam namin na nahuli na Indonesian Police, sir, ang nagsasabi sa amin. Ngayon yung si Ma'am Jessica,
Di ba, sandali. Di
Yes,
ba, during the previous hearing, kinongratulate pa kita, pinagmayabang pa kita sa committee
Yes,
na
sir.
yung IG nagtatrabaho yan kahit na walang intelligence fund. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, dahil kayo, sa buong Pilipinas, kayong unang nakakaalam that Alice Go has left the country already.
August 14 pa lang,
August 14.
Senator De La Rosa.
Kiksa ka, Madam Chair.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Yes,
O kayo ang nakauna nakakaalam na nahuli ay nakalabas na pala.
Yes, sir.
Inongratulate kita.
Yes, sir.
Job
Thank you, sir.
yan. O ngayon, itong agent mo, hindi mo na na-handle ng properly. So, there is an agent mishandling in this case. Bakit siya nakakadirekta doon sa Indonesian National Police? Or, meron kang alam na mas mabigat na trabaho na ibinigay dito kay Mary Ann Maslog, kaya wala kang control sa kanya because somebody above you is controlling Mary Ann Maslog. I have an information. You cannot deny to me. I have a very, very accurate information na siya ay inuutusan ng somebody from Malacanang para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit implicating President Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, and General Karamat as the people behind the operation of Pogo. I have a very, very A1 information.
Sir, if I may, Your Honors,
Yes, General.
Yeah.
as to the connection of Ma'am Jessica to the Malacanang, sir, wala po akong alam dyan. Kasi ang pinag-usapan lang talaga namin, sir, ay yung whereabouts lang ni Alice.
Pero if
Except-
I may interject, Senator De La Rosa, meron ding baliktad na sinabi si Miss Maslog sa amin kanina na sumama siya sa inyo nung naaresto na si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia, na pareho pa rin daw ang mission niya na kumbinsihin si Guo Huaping mag-surrender. Huli na nga, arestado na nga, no choice na babalik talaga sa Pilipinas. So, bakit kasama pa siya dun sa pangalawang trip niyo sa Indonesia?
Your Honors, please, the second time na kinuha namin si Alice, right after nung nalaman, yung pumutok sa media na aresto na si Alice, Doktora Jessica called me up. Ang sabi niya, pupuntahan niya si Alice. Kasi during the time, Your Honors, nag-arrange na po si Secretary Abalos na kukunin namin sa Indonesia. Hindi po siya kasama. We were on our trip, si Secretary Abalos, si Chief PNP, ako, pumunta ng Indonesia on a private plane, yung contact ni Secretary Abalos po. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya pumunta doon. At hindi
Pumunta
ko
siya
alam.
ng isa niya, sir. Hindi kasama ninyo.
Hindi po, Your Honors. Hindi po namin siya kasama.
Sino nag-authorize sa kanyang pumunta? At bakit siya pinayagang pumunta at sumama?
Hindi po namin siya kasama, Your Honors. The second time na kinuha namin si Alice, hindi po namin siya kasama.
Madam Chair.
Pero nakita siya doon.
Before I call
Nakita siya
SP Pro Tempore, si Senator Sherwin kanina pa. And then
Madam
SP
Chair,
Pro
quick
Tempore.
interjection lang. General, bakit hindi kayo dumiretso kay Attorney David? Halos araw-araw nasa TV siya. Kung kami nga nakakadiretso kay Attorney David pag iinimbitahan namin dito, bakit hindi pa kayo dumiretso doon at nakinig pa kayo sa isang pugante?
Your Honors, ganito po. Wala po kasi akong personal talaga na kontak kay Attorney David.
Sa laki ho ng PNP, Intelligence Group, hindi ba ho niyo pwedeng diretsang i-access na lang po si Attorney David? Pangalawa, Intelligence Group po kayo. Ang kausap niyo ho, pugante ho to. Nagnakaw ng 24 million. Nagpanggap na patay at tumakbo sa Amerika. At ngayon, ginagamit niyo siya. Kriminal ho to. Bakit hindi niyo na-detect as Intelligence Group?
Your Honors, please, we came to know only nung sinare na yun ng information ng NBI with us kung sino siya. Wala po. Initially, hindi po namin siya nakilala, Your Honors.
Parang ang napipick up ko ho dito, naisahan ho kayo.
Pare-pareho kayong na-scam.
Kayo na intelligence, pero siya pa may matibay na intelligence kung paano ho kayong lokohin.
Big time na isahan kayo.
Madam Chair.
Kasi sabi ni, before I call SP Pro Tempore, sabi ni Ms. Maslog kay Attorney David, may kilala daw siyang PNP top brass. Pero sabi naman niya sa PNP, may contact siya kay Guo Huaping. So, pareho kayong na-scam. SP Pro Tempore.
Hindi na-scam,
General.
Madam Chair. Sa akin, hindi na-scam. Yung
Ibig mo
PNP.
sabihin lahat
Hindi
pa
ganun kabubo yung intelligence group na may scam.
Okay,
I know.
thank you,
There's
Senator De La Rosa.
Something heavier,
Yung
something
tinatanong niya,
bigger behind.
PNP pa
everything.
yun.
Hindi yan ganyan
May ibang intention.
basta-basta. Hindi basta-basta
May
malukang
ibang
intelligence group. Napakagaling na mga tao dyan. Diyan na yan nag-start maging police sa intelligence group hanggang mag-retire dyan na yan. Kaya ano yan, very sharp intelligence operative yung mga tao dyan. I don't
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Millicent Rose, lumabas din ang tunay na dahilan why intense si Bato de la Rosa. Pahayag naman ni Mark Gastusin, the former president legalized it, but some abuse their authority, yan ang totoo dyan. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Vanessa Sara, panahon pa lang ni Aquino may pogo na. These are one of the main topic ng election bid noong 2015. It was one of the main issue post-election dahil hindi nagbabayad ng nararapat na tax yung mga offshore gaming, but was regulated nung panahon ni Duterte. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.